Is your Nissan Murano's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood switch, interior sensor, and key fob. First, check the hood switch, a small magnetic sensor on the hood latch. Ensure it's clean, properly aligned, and free from corrosion. A faulty signal here often triggers false alarms. Next, consider the interior sensor, typically a PIR sensor that detects motion inside the car. It can be overly sensitive, so try cleaning the lens. Lastly, the key fob might be the issue. Try replacing the battery or performing a fob reset by cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons for 5 seconds to resynchronize it with the car. Identifying which component is triggering the alarm is the first crucial step to fixing the issue. For the hood switch, start with cleaning the contacts to remove dirt or corrosion. If the switch is damaged, replace it with a new one, costing between $20 and $50. For the interior sensor, adjust the sensitivity through the car's body control module if possible, or temporarily disable it using a specific fob button sequence. If the key fob is the problem, a simple reset often resolves synchronization or battery issues. If these DIY steps don't resolve the issue, or if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, it's time to consult a professional. Complex faults might require module replacements costing $200 to $500. A Nissan technician can use diagnostic tools to pinpoint problems, especially important for newer models. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the battery before any electrical work to prevent shorts or damage.